Gold miners, tracked by the GDX ETF, have been on a steady rise since late December 2024. This move unfolded as a classic Elliott Wave impulse with 5 distinct waves pushing prices up to $54.73. But after this strong rally, a 3-wave correction kicked in, something we often expect in Wave 2. The ETF pulled back in a clear WXY structure, bottoming out near $50.70, right within the key Fibonacci support zone between 49.61 and 51.18. This area is often where corrections tend to finish, and so far, price action is responding well. Looking ahead, GDX now has 2 possible paths. The first is a direct continuation of the bullish trend in Wave 3, leading to higher highs. The second is a brief bounce followed by one more leg down before resuming the rally. Either way, the broader technical picture remains positive, and the bulls still seem to be in control. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates.